Okay, can you look into the camera, pretend that I told you something funny, and laugh? This is David. David is a front-end software developer and a natural-born entrepreneur. He is especially good at solving problems after making them unnecessarily complicated. And this is me, a chaotic creative with a million hobbies, who happens to be passionate about graphic design. If this is not a perfect match, then I don't know what is. 3 years ago, our lives changed upside down when we got an idea for our first ever mobile app. Little did we know that we were about to quit our 9-to-5 jobs and start working way more than that on our own project. Our first baby, Avocation app, has been without any doubt a great success. We wanted to create a very simple and pretty app that would help people develop good habits, track progress while staying motivated and consistent. Instead of classic exhausting streaks, we went for a concept of atomic habits, aka small daily commitments that accumulate to a positive change in the long run. This idea seemed to have resonated with our users, and the app has been growing ever since. In the meantime, we are approaching an absolutely mind-blowing milestone of 2 million downloads. Our second app, Moodmonk, didn't do that well, but we figured it still has a lot of potential. You see, Moodmonk is not just a regular journaling app. Every day our users get to log in their mood, based on which they receive tailored exercises, thoughts to reflect on, affirmations and other content. For example, someone who feels anxious would receive some breathing exercises, whereas a person feeling hopeful would be suggested to set goals for the next week.
A few weeks ago we started thinking about reworking Moodmonk, and we kind of wanted to improve the overall content of the app and make it more focused on specific topics. Instead of asking the user for the mood every day and then suggesting random activities to do for that, we want to offer specific courses on topics like productivity, relationships, anxiety, stress and so on, and focus more on these specific problems that the user might have. The whole rework would require a lot of changes, we wanted to change the app name as well because mood is not the main topic anymore. So after some consideration we actually thought it would make more sense to make a whole new app out of it and leave Moodmonk as it is. Especially since some users actually really like getting different activities every day based on their mood.
But before we talk more about it, let me introduce you to our new team member. This is Flo. Flo has 3 passions: programming, Pokemons, and shrimps. Flo will be helping David with coding the app. The two have known each other for years. They're both very excited, and I'm sure they will have some great time working on this project. In the following days, we had a few brainstorming sessions where we tried to define the concept and came up with some very interesting ideas. To summarize the main points, here is a quick recap of what we did. We started with keywords, such as mindfulness, mind, reflect, insight, mental health, and so on. We then defined areas that we would like to cover in the app. Unlike other specialized apps such as Headspace for meditation or Stress Coach for reducing stress, we would offer courses on a variety of topics, from dealing with negative thinking patterns and habits to improving creativity and staying present. Here is a sketch to visualize how an average day would look like in the app. As you can see, the home screen would include different suggested activities, from check-in to meditation, journaling, and course-specific exercises. I'm pretty sure this will change a million times, in the process of developing the app. The courses would be designed for a duration of 1 month, with content changing on a daily basis, but with a kind of a clear flow going through all the days, meaning that there would be some recaps of the previous days or some task to reflect on the progress that has been made and so on. Another big topic would be gamification, or some other way to keep users motivated. There's a lot we can do here, from achievements to unlock when you complete a course, to customization options such as colors, fonts, and backgrounds in the app. We would of course introduce some sort of statistics, and here we have two options. First of all, we could offer some generalized metrics such as total number of minutes spent in the app, or days completed within a course, or total number of courses completed, and so on. Another possibility would be to introduce a custom success variable within each course. For example, we could ask the users to complete a little survey every other day to measure how they feel about the course and the progress that they're making within it. So this is roughly the idea. Over the next weeks, we will try to finalize the app concept, develop brand identity, and start with building app foundations. We will talk more about it in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so yet. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.